Guys, in the past, I have reviewed many mobile covers on this channel, and some of them have been very unique. For example, there is this one for my Asus Max Pro M1, and this is the kickstand variety. It allows you to use your mobile phone in the landscape position, something like this, or you can put it up in the portrait mode and consume your content to the heart's satisfaction. Guys, that particular video was showered with a lot of love, and if you want to check out that video, then it is available right here in the I button or in the video description. But one particular comment that I got on that particular video was that, sir, my cell phone comes from Samsung or Poco or Realme or some other brand, and I'm not able to find a kickstand cover for my particular mobile phone. Guys, here I have a Samsung M21, for example, and I have ordered a very unique kickstand cover for this device. Let's unbox it. I brought this thing off Amazon, and at the end of this video, if you end up liking it, then affiliate buying links are waiting for you in the video description or right here in the tag products. Guys, this is the Sado military style kickstand cover. Let's unbox it. So it looks pretty decent from here, and this is how it's gonna look. Let's check the fit and finish. So it snaps on like this very firmly. You're going to have all kinds of cutouts. Let me turn on the light for you. Okay, so you're going to have all kinds of cutouts for your ports, for your headphone jack, for your speaker. There's a large cutout for the camera. I kind of like that. Your fingerprint scanner is going to keep working as it is. Here is the secondary microphone, and here is the star of the show, that is the kickstand. All right, so you can flip it out like this, and you can put your phone something like this and enjoy YouTube as much as you want. Now this key also serves as a secondary feature. You can just twist it around and you can use it like this as a selfie ring. So if you're interested in taking a lot of selfie pictures, then yes, you can safely take those using this particular cover. The only downside that I noticed with this particular cover is that the buttons are a bit stiff, and I can only hope that the buttons, they become softer once you start using the case. So initially it's going to be a bit of struggle, but yeah, eventually I think it will fall into the place. So overall, I think I like this particular cover, and if you're interested, again, links in description or in the first comment for you guys. So go ahead, check it out, buy it if you like it. And guys, on this particular channel, we have reviewed a variety of mobile accessories, and if you want to check them out, then a bunch of video thumbnails will pop up on your screen right here. You can check on any of them and learn something new today. That's it for this neat little video, guys. Take care and have a nice day, and yes, enjoy the content. By the way, guys, did you subscribe? Because a lot of exciting videos keep coming on my channel. Bye.